one important topic, which is known by catalog profile. Okay. So basically, for training purpose, I have created one document, this document. So if our diesel generator got failed, okay. So if operator or any maintenance worker has created the notification that diesel generator is making some sound, we don't know what happens. Okay, we go there and we check. We found that the their engine, we have started analyzing or maintenance, or first of all we will observe what happens. So we found that there was components: engine, alternator, control panel, diesel tank, turbo. So we will initially, what we'll do, we will do the observation. What happens to which component? There is a problem with engine or alternator or diesel tank or turbo or pump. So these are the object part of that component. Like a pump. If you say pump, there is a shaft, a bearing, housing, different components. So first maintenance person will go and check which component. He will focus on component. Okay. Components. Okay. After that, what he will do? He will see the damage, which part has got damage. So bearing damage, gasket damage, o-ring damage, seal damage, filter is clogged, coupling broken, washer missing or washer having problem, bolt nut loose, casing got cracked, V-belt damage, main switch is not working. So these are the damage. Okay, damage part. Then causes. What was the cause of failure? Oh, it's got overloaded, or oil level is not there, low oil level, temperature got shoot up, pressure is very high, connection is loose, there was very vibration or short circuit. So these are the causes. Then task. Okay. So what we needs to do? We need to do bearing replace, gasket replace, shaft replace, or washer like this, or we need to top up the oil. So these are the tasks which we need to perform, and activity. After performing the task, we will update in the notification, hey, I have replaced the bearing. Gasket replaced. This activity done. Okay. So all this called catalog profile. Catalog profile. So again, what is the use of this? So no need to type this. Once you enter that code inside that object catalog, that task will be automatically got updated in the background. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will start the creation of catalog. So the T code for creation catalog is QS41, but I will show you the path. Logistic, planned maintenance, preventive maintenance, work scheduling, and environment. Okay. Here you will find one tab, catalog. Okay. There is edit and display. So edit means QS41. So here you need to create the catalogs. Again, catalog B means object part, C means damage, D means cause, 2 means task, and A means activity. So we'll start with catalog B. So here you need to check for B. Where is B? Yeah, B is there. And code group. Okay. Right now, create and change. So I will do one thing. I will create a new entries. Okay. So with the B, we will create new entries. Again, once I click, we need to update our diesel generator. So we need to select and give code to that. We need to update our codes here. So new entry. Okay, code group. I will give my code group DG. Okay, short text, any short text we can give, or we will start with directly. Just a moment. I will start directly with this. Okay, and we'll assign letter group. Okay, short text, exhaust. Okay, so release. It will be all release. Okay. I need to maintain something here, otherwise it will allow.
Motor.
Anything you can give. Okay. Okay. So it will create. Yes. So object part we have maintained. Okay. Again, I will create. Okay, B has done. I will start with C. Just a moment. I need to check code group. We have. Okay. I think. Okay. There is no code group. Okay. I will do one thing. I will create first only code group. Okay. DG. Okay. Diesel generator. First generator I will create. Okay. Release. Okay. I will save this. And inside that DG, I will assign code. Okay. New entries. Inside that DG, I will assign code. So once we assign that DG category to our diesel generator, that code will be automatically populated. I will show you. You need to do again. It's not a really consultant task, but you should aware of this. Okay,
Okay.
because if you are giving support to any manufacturing team, then if any issue occurs to the catalog profile is not updated, then they will definitely ask you. So you should know how they are performing this activity. Okay, I will start with C. Again, code our DG. Let me check. Okay, for C, DG is not there. New entry. DG, diesel generator. Release. Select codes. Enter. Okay. Code. New entries. C is overview of damage. So what is overview? C, bearing. All that are damage overview. Okay, I will copy. Switch. Okay. Save. Okay. C done. After that we have 5. 5 means false. Okay, so C DG is not there. I will make a new entry. So code group will be diesel generator. So we are assigning all that codes to our code group diesel generator. So whenever, okay, entry already exists. Yes, entries exist for it. Okay. Yes. So we'll go back. Let's see DG. Yeah, DG is there. Okay. Yeah. Codes. Okay. Okay. Damage C already there. Okay. We have done C. Okay. No issue. I will do for what is next? 5. 5 is causes. B have done. B we have done. C done. 5. Okay. So 5. What is meant by 5 means causes. So what is the causes? Again, new entry. DG. Diesel generator. Release. Enter. Click on select and click on code. New entry. Okay. These are the causes of failure. Actually, consultant will not touch on that part, but he can check if anything is wrong. Okay, 5. After that, 2. Okay, what is meant by 2 is task. Okay, enter DG, diesel generator, release, enter, select, code, new entries. Okay, task. So what task maintenance person need to perform? Enter, save. Okay, after that, I think, yeah, A. So what we have done, what activity maintenance person has done will be assigned A activity. Enter. Again, new entry with our DG, generator, release, select, code, new entry. Okay.
एक्टिविटी एंड टास्क में क्या फर्क है?
Okay, okay. Activity means, okay. Task means you need to do.
Okay.
It's not done. You need to replace the bearing. Should be done. And activity means, yes, you have done. You have completed. That's why it's passed. Yeah. Oil top of done. Inspection done. Here, do the inspection. Replace the belt. Here, belt replace. Okay. So, as of now, we have done everything for diesel generator. Okay. So, what will be the, again? After that, we need to define the catalog profile to our notification or catalog group. So we need to maintain some entries there. So we have done all this activity. We have updated object part, damage, cause, task, and activity to diesel generator. So I will go to configuration, define. From starting, I will show you. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, plant maintenance customer service, and maintenance and service processing. Maintenance and service notification, notification creation, and notification content. Here you will define the catalog profile. Okay, so here we need to give some new entries with catalog and code group. Okay, so there you will find some catalogs are there already. Wall profile. So what happens when this profile assigned to the wall, then whatever the failure which are updated with a causes like a object part damage, that will be automatically populated at the time of equipment. Means user just need to update, means he no need to type, he can search and he can assign that to the notification. I will show you. So basically I will create new entry, our catalog profile. I will, okay, BC5 just I will make a DG. Okay. Enter code group. Here I will make our codes. So BC5 to 8. We need to update BC5 to A, and code group is DG, 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 DG. So I will save this. Okay, so we have created catalog profile with DG with that catalogs and code group. Okay. So we need to assign that to our equipment, that catalog profile which we have created. So how we can assign? Okay, this we need to assign. So I will go back. So whenever you assign, same for permit assign, which code you have used to assign the permit to the equipment? Hello?
IW.
No. Permit assignment to the equipment. IE02. We have go to the for permit, go to and permit, right? Here we have assigned the permit. So
We have to
for
go to
each
the equipment.
yeah, equipment, correct, and go to tab. So for assigning any what catalog profile, so we need to click on organization tab, and here is the catalog profile. At the time of updation, I inform you that I will show you. So simply go to the populated bar, whatever the fields available, just select. See, our DG is there, yes. So once you select that catalog profile, whenever you create the notification with diesel generator, you can use the all the catalogs which has been assigned in that group. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. So organization DG diesel generator. So I will do one thing. I will create one notification.